Last week, we were on a 4x4 tour of White Pocket, a must-see. In this video, we are in Lake Powell and Lower Antelope Canyon.
Toured on a boat once and kayak twice. It's a great area, and if you haven't been here, get here before it's too late, because I don't know how they're going to get this water level up. Take a look. To access the inside of the slot canyon, there are several levels of stairs and ladders. Once inside, there are more ladders and stairs throughout the canyon.
Lower Antelope Canyon sits on land belonging to the Navajo Nation and is a sacred site of the Navajo people. The views in Lower Antelope Canyon change constantly as the sun moves across the sky, filtering lights across the stone walls.
We were so lucky to have a bright blue sky against the impressive sandstone formations. We were fortunate to see Upper Antelope Canyon in 2016. Both canyons are stunning. When you look back at the little slot that we came out of, it's hard to imagine all that beauty down in that little sliver of a canyon.
It was truly amazing. And next week, we're taking you to Paria Canyon and Zebra Slot.
Another adventure.
So stay tuned.